Is this who I am? There's nowhere to go but up on my pedestal. But is that the truth? It takes me as high as I want it to. Little by little, I'm chipping away, shaping my future. I see it in waves. No longer anchored by my fears. Even though I see them, I'ma keep on climbing. Look at all I'm finding, 'cause I'm so close to this new version of myself. Chipping away, shaping my future. I see it in ways. No longer anchored by my fears. Even though I see them, I'ma keep on climbing. Look at all I'm finding, 'cause I'm so close to this new version of myself.
Chad, bad day to be 11-year anniversary, because 11-year anniversaries are getting Oh, Chad, it is Friday. Dude, what are we doing here? Kicks, are we doing this non-copyright thing here on my 11th anniversary, or are we gonna?
Nah, we can do it, brother.
What are we doing here? Okay, Chad. You know what? Wait. Before we start, here's the thing. There's not a thing of... Give me 1 second here, Chad. We need to pay for this music, Chad. Okay, obviously I don't have my security code. Okay, Chad, I couldn't even dono on my own stream, but anyways, I don't have my card with me. I don't even know where my card. Anyways, Chad, that is horrific. guys, anyways, Friday. Keegs, how are you feeling? Long week. I feels to me like a very long week. I didn't take one single trade this week, believe it or not.
It's been a long week, bro. Very slow.
Chad, believe it or not, I have not taken a single trade with you guys this entire week. That is just where we at. There was literally nothing. There were setups in the morning that I was looking for, just didn't get the entry, and I'm fine with that, and I hope you guys are fine with it. But yeah, Chad, it is Friday. Hope you guys. It's a bad day to be Cheeks, because Cheeks are gonna get clapped, my bro. 100%. Oh, Chadadonia, baby. Let's go. Chris, we feel great that he's the happiest. Hey, guys, talking about cutting the grass, trees looking taller. I don't know, Chad. You guys are a bunch of animals. Just animals, yeah. But yeah, Keegan said, bro, keep it native. You need that cushion for the pushing. But I don't know. That's just what Keek said. He said go full bear mode. You don't cut anything, bro. You keep it. Anyways, Chad, before we start, before we pray, before we do all of that, big shout out to Francho. I don't know if Francho's in the chat. We were talking about doing some stuff on TradingView, some development stuff. Francho put up his hand. He's like, listen, yeah, I'll help. I've done a lot of things. We jumped on a call with him last night, and yeah, Chad, it's beautiful to see. Once we get going, we are also going to punt Francho's business. He didn't want to. He said, listen, yeah, I'm doing it out of the love of the community for the Chad. I want to do this for you guys. And we said, here's the thing. We don't do anything for free in life. And I'm not saying that in a bad way, but I told him it's not really for free, because he's taking his time, his energy, his resources to create something that's going to benefit us, you, all of us here, and not just one person. So I said, at least let us punt your business on the stream. So thank you so much for that. Francois Beertge, absolute ledge, going through there.
Solid, man.
Yeah, so I don't know if he's in here. I think he's traveling today. So yeah, anyways, but we'll give another shout out to Francois. And yeah, Chad, we're about to get going here. It is Friday. It is my 11-year anniversary. We've been together for almost 18 years, me and my wife. Don't ask me for advice. I don't know. I think we were both just too ignorant and stubborn to ever get divorced. Maybe there were some times when things were rocky and we were like, listen here, way too much admin to get divorced, so we'll just push through this. And both of us don't like losing. Both of us are very stubborn, and I think that's what got us through to 11 years today. So being stubborn, not liking admin, that's what gets you to 11 years, Chad. So on to the next 11. I don't know if my wife's watching, but yeah, by Lifio. And I think I told you guys, my wife was a big part of my spiritual journey as well. In a time when I was, here's the thing, all of us had our, let's call it BC days before Christ, and I was ruthless, Chad. And she was the one that always said, hey, listen, let's maybe go to church, let's do this, let's do that, and almost a guiding light as well. And if she wasn't in my life, I could have been on a completely different journey, not necessarily good, but yeah. So appreciate my wife, and for the guys that have a life partner that actually brings out the good in them and actually for the better, protect that. And yeah, the Bible says he who finds a wife finds a good thing. So that was definitely a good thing that was found. So Chad, without further ado, we're going to get going here. Also, before I forget, trading combine, but it's fully booked, Keeks?
Fully booked.
Fully booked today. So I think this is going to be the last trading combine in the current office before we move. I don't think we are going to actually host any more combines after this, just purely due to everything being online, and it's just a hassle to get a big facility for events that maybe happen once a month or twice a month. So anyways, chat, so let's get started with the prayer, and we're going to jump straight into the market. So our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses. We forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. In Jesus' name, amen, amen, and amen to 11 years, chat. So without further ado, audio good, chat? We didn't even ask. Mic check, mic check. 1 2 1 2. Are we good? It is not good for man to be alone. Yes, it is not good. Yeah, it's not good. Anna D, thanks so much. All right, guys, let's get going here. Keeks, anything that you saw overnight? Maybe any news, any headlines?
Bro.
Nothing.
I just watched gold just continue to melt.
Yeah.
Hit our little area last night. But other than that, that was pretty much it. Didn't really look at anything else.
Chat, so Eurogroup meeting again today all day. We've got Chairman Jordan from the Swiss National Bank up a little bit later, 9:45. And then we've got the last bit of juice for the market. MCSI for me is a big one, Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. I don't know why it's a mid-level data release. For me, that is more a top-tier data release, quite a big one, measuring the consumer sentiment. Fed Waller, not really a thing for me. That's why they put him on Friday. He's just a space filler. So Waller, take it easy. See you at the cross, my brother. And then some durable goods orders. So I think there's going to be some last bit of volatility. Also told Mo almost wanted to short gold this morning. I said, bro, end of the week, tail end. Why do you want to get involved now? You already caught the majority of the move. Stay out. So yeah, let's get to the chart and let's see what we are working with here today. All right, guys, DXY daily on the weekly, we were bearish. I wasn't expecting us to just continue bullish this entire week. I expected us Monday, Tuesday, maybe aggressive move up, retest this previous breakout zone and then continue lower. But also, in all fairness, we never closed below this 104 level. Daily time frame, we talked about it earlier in the week. 200 daily EMA, just a massive level for the dollar, just been either support or resistance. So we always said it was going to be tough to just close below here and continue lower. And yeah, I think we've got the calls right this entire week. Yesterday we were bullish again for this retest here. Today I am going neutral, and the reason I'm going neutral is we've had a good run. Again, we are coming up into a major resistance area, and yesterday closing bullish, but not closing bullish above that level. So are we going to see some type of pullback to at least somewhere the weekly pivot, just to reset, or even maybe to and then the continuation? So neutral for me on the day. I would love to see some type of Friday reversal pullback to see where we can get in. 4 hour, what did the 4 hour do? Weekly pivot. All right. 5 minute time frame, beautiful. What do we have here? There's that key zone there. Asia highs, Asia lows. And I'm going to be bearish today, Chad, on the dollar. If we can stay below this level and then ultimately get below this 200 EMA there. So if we can get below that, I'm happy to go for the shorts. Otherwise, we're still just going to go with the trend. Daily US 30. Beautiful, beautiful bearish momentum. Chad, please go and watch yesterday's analysis, yesterday morning. Let me just get this camera. please go and watch yesterday morning's analysis on US30. I said this was a beautiful, beautiful short setup. We were actually on the daily and we were trading here somewhere, and I said, Chad, I actually maybe want to get into a short position, and then I realized this was the daily time frame. But anyways, yesterday's analysis playing out beautifully. Look at that weekly pivot retest and then the move down. Did I get into it? Absolutely not. And am I going to cry about it? Maybe tonight. Around about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, I'm going to think about Thursday's analysis, where we called the potential shorts here, then saying I'm going to wait for a 4-hour rejection candle, and that one 4-hour rejection candle was this. That was the retest there, that was the rejection candle, and you know the drill. Couldn't trade it from there. Anyways, spilled milk, but we keep it moving. Now on today, what I want to look for is that we are now at this key level, and I want to say it's going to be a horrific day for US30 if we can't trade above 39.107. Chad, then it's going to be, you see this move, exactly that same move all the way down here, because this is the range that we are now in, unless we break back to the upper end of that range. So 5-minute time frame, what do we have here? 80 is still firmly bearish. This is the low of the week. Are we going to get some type of Friday rally? I will only look for buys above here, Chad. Literally, you can mark it out. Go here. Only buys above here. If we can hold this zone. Otherwise, this thing is just going to continue to melt, and it's just going to hurt the buyers. Very simple. Daily time frame on Nasdaq. There you go. So this for me becomes a valid swing high formation. And Chris, why is this a valid swing high formation? Very, very simple. Let me just show you guys. Took a previous daily high right there, sweep that high, and then sweeped the low here. So I am bearish on the day for Nasdaq. Bearish, and just the only thing is we can only really get a nice bearish move below this level here. Let me just do this. Okay, let me actually do this rather. Okay. Can only really get fully bearish below there, and I think once we trade below here, where's my 80? Okay. So once we get something like this, then I think it's over for the bulls, and then the bears are really going to start hammering those bulls. And yeah, chat, that is, before I go over to my boy, let me just see Asia. Do we have any Asia viewers here? Nikkei closing down 1.17. Hang Seng closing down minus 1.75. It was just a horrific day to be a bull in China and Japan. Not even a bull in a China shop. This was a bull in an abattoir last night or overnight. Gigs, over to you, my brother.
Yeah, let's get it. So let's start off here, guys. DXY. So again, yesterday we were talking about seeing that bearish move come in after the news, had a bit of a sell-off, then turning bullish. And the minute when it was yesterday, guys, this thing basically had no top wick. It was a little body, all this downward momentum. I did mention to the guys, if we saw this thing flip, there was a good chance this thing was just going to run, and there it did push up. So definitely coming in out today when we're looking on the 4 hour, just getting above. Now we know this 200 is quite a level for DXY, so we just want to see what's going to happen there. But as I said to you guys, the first thing was we had literally the news from last week from CPI. So we finally now went and filled that candle, but now we are here, so we're back at this level of resistance. So as much as I want to see that bearish move, I do think we are going to at least see a push up until this zone around about the R1 here when we hit into there, to see if we reject from there. If we can get rejection from there, I definitely can see the dollar starting to become bearish, as we have now filled those news induced candles and start moving bearish again. But until that happens, I think we are basically on the range a bit, so we can't even go bearish now. Maybe the day pivot EQ looking there to have the reversal turnaround, coming for Asia highs untested, and again going to that level. So it's just a case of, for me, making sure what happens here today, whether we are going to trade down first to go up, something like that, or do we trade, take the low, go up for the day, and then sell off into New York. But DXY, I'm going to say more of a bullish, purely because I want that move up to here and then see what's going to happen. But long term, still bearish, even though we've had this, guys. Keep in mind, this literally can just be a pullback to continue lower. So not turning the bigger scheme of things around for us just yet. Going over to indices, NASDAQ, we are still bullish. End of the day yesterday, we had our first major bearish day off that weekly resistance, but coming down, we have the 4-hour support level, which held as support. So even though we traded, we tested, massive wick rejection and coming back up. The one thing I will say is we are kind of making a little bit of a continuation. So again, if that DXY is bullish and we start trading more down here, we can see this big break and then dump to the downside. But the same thing, we would probably look to have our Asia highs tested first. So if we maybe take a low of the day, come back up to this range, even maybe get that daily pivot, at least retrace some of yesterday's move, as it was quite a big day for NASDAQ, then start seeing that sell off back into the range for that break late in the day. Obviously, we need the 4 hour to give us confirmation, so there's plenty of time to get that move to happen. So just keep an eye out. We might even actually get the low to test this zone, where it will hold the support for now again, but late in the day fail on that side. So I'm actually going to say neutral, purely because of we want to see what happens once we test that zone. And again, it is a Friday, so you can get reversals, not only just continuations on the day. So we just want to keep an eye for that. US 30, we're still going to be bearish, guys. Yesterday I said to you, the thing that gave to us, we knew we were bearish after the fail yesterday. Very thing today was watching if we could get in on it. And the big thing, if you guys were New York session, it just ran. There honestly was nowhere for us to get in on the move yesterday. So as much as this happened, nowhere in this move. As I said, if that would have been, if you got something like this, easily we could have taken that. Even over there, we could have still taken that, because you've taken lows 100% confirmation. But for this thing, as you see on a 4 hours, you still go and close down. The move was already done. And then still to continue lower, there just was no way for us to get in on that. So we'll see on the 15, absolutely just carried on the whole way down. The move was here, and after that left. So today we've got two things we're going to look out for. We are still bearish. So almost similar to NASDAQ, if DXY just plays a bit, we can see that low being swept, even hitting this level of support, turning there for support to maybe go test Asia highs, have a bit of a turnaround, taking the highs of the day, and after they go into New York session, see that move to the downside. But at the same time, guys, just take note, we can see something like that if, for example, DXY doesn't hold and it hits that rejection area and starts turning. It is Friday reversals. We can see something like that happen today. So just a case of being alert. We are looking more for the sells, but again, very dependent on what DXY is going to show us. We can get the reversal and then trade up for the daily pivot to retrace that massive move of yesterday. So that's me, bro.
Is that Kiga Darius? All right, Chad. While we are on the, I know everybody's asking, why is the dollar ramping? Why is the dollar ramping? Dollar's ramping for various reasons, Chad. Firstly, a technical reason as well, correcting, retesting a previous level, but also repricing. Again, we've been talking about the repricing of potential rate cuts not happening this year. We're talking about the potential, not necessarily rate hikes, but if you want to know why the dollar is ramping, go to the Fed futures. This was the previous weekly percentage. Look at where it's now. That's almost a 4% hike. 68% to 83.83%, Chad. So the markets are pricing in the potential for no rate cuts this year. Look at this major jump from 5.25 from 31% to 45%. So the market is relatively neutral for the potential rate cut of September. But look at that massive jump. The markets were 50%, 50-30 that the cut was going to happen in September. Now all of a sudden it's like the markets are like no cuts at September, and now look at this, November jump from 19.6 to 32.4. So again, markets are always forward looking, and Fed futures is telling us that the market had a bit of a surprise this week and they started to reprice the dollar. So again, once we've repriced that there's no rate cuts this year, that's when you'll see the dollar to start easing again. So just keep that in mind. Chad, gold, let's look at gold daily, still bearish. We were bearish here. Once we closed below here, we said that we wanted a retest of that zone there, never got it, just continued to fumble. Now we've got a key level here. If we can get back into this key level, I think we can at least make a pullback to the weekly S1 to retest that, and then maybe die off to go and retest that monthly pivot. But still bearish, but I'm going to be neutral for that little pullback play today. Very simple for me, Chad. There's the level. This is all I'm focusing on for gold. 23.40. That's all I'm focused. If I can trade above that, I want to buy. If I start to reject there, do I sell? Yes, absolutely. But let's see, 23.40. Actually, I want to set an alert there. That is gold, Chad. Keeks, gold, ready to get...
We're ready for it, bro. So, guys, if you again were in New York session, we were talking about the sells. The big thing I said to you guys was this week, from over here, I spoke to you that the day count was coming into play, which executed perfectly. And we were able to catch some of the trades twice. Yesterday we actually got taken out, break even, and then just to see it run absolutely crazy after that. The one thing I said to you guys is we marked out this year, which was the low of last week, which shows us two things. So firstly, if we were bearish, so the fact we were sitting over here going into that, we knew, okay, we've done 50% of the week. So we're either going to take out the previous weekly lows to reverse, or we're going to take it out to continue bearish. So either way, the lows of last week are going to get taken out. And we saw that literally get smashed perfectly. But now the thing is, we literally broke it, failed on the retest, and continue more bullish again. So when we're looking at it like this on the higher time frames, as much as I want to say we wanted to turn bullish, I'm still going to take a bearish outlook. And again, this comes back to what I was teaching you guys yesterday about momentum and probability. If you look at these, those candles are not showing you any sign of slowing down. If anything, they've got bigger. So they're really picking the momentum up now. So we still have this key level here at 2300 flat, which is untested. So honestly, for me, that's going to be our zone. So what we are going to look at is this level of support that's now turned resistance. So see if we can maybe trade back up to 23.47, 23.46, 45 even, and look to see if we get rejection there to come back down, take out these lows, and that's where we're going to see the big move back down to 2300. So even though that is the case, we've had a big move, we are going to still stay with a bearish outlook. As we can see, daily pivot exactly right there in that resistance area. So again, we've traded up, Asia lows set, no retest on Asia lows yet. We are just running away. I'd love to see us hit this daily pivot, reject off of that, and come all the way back down, take out these weak Asia lows, and the big move back down to 2300. So that's what I'm going to be looking for today. So just going to be a bit patient, wait for it. But yeah, that's it going to be from my side.
Beautiful. All right, guys, we have 2 minutes, 55 seconds left. Let's just blitz through the last couple here. GBP USD neutral on the day for me. Why am I neutral? Because we closed bearish, but we closed bearish within this range right here, Chad. So we can still go up, we can still go down. It is neutral for me. Need to see what we do on these key levels. 80 looking nice and bullish here. Are we going to get above this 12700? If we can get above 12700, I am keen for some longs, long and strong. Let's do this. Nice round number. End of the week. Little pullback play. Okay. Euro USD daily. Still bearish. There you go. Retested at key level already. I think we're going to test this daily 200 EMA 100%. That's not even a question. 5 minute time frame. Yeah, look at this. There's that key level. So if we continuously reject this key level, we can go lower. Not the cleanest trade because we've got a round number right there at that daily 200 EMA. But we'll see. Maybe we can get into some shorts here. UJ daily time frame is still bullish, Chad. We wanted to get into some longs yesterday. Never got in there. Weekly R1 up next. 5 minute time frame. What do we have on the 5? Yo, look at this thing. Bullish yesterday. Never got into the move, but anyways, let's see if we can. Chad, I'm seeing some liquidity being built up here. I'm seeing some retail shorts here. Maybe go check some of those signal groups. The boys have some sell limits up here, and that's where I want to potentially get into some longs. So if we can start trading above this weekly R1, and if we can then hold above the Asia highs, then I want to get into some longs. Otherwise, looking at the 4 hour, look at this. If this 4 hour closes something like this, I'll maybe take a short in the next 2 hours. If we close bearish like this, then we can maybe get a nice little pullback all the way here, or even to this previous key level. So keep that in mind for UJ. Only thing is looking at the dailies. Okay, not UJ, GJ. GJ is setting up for a big move, Chad. Hopefully we get that wick fill today, but it's setting up for an explosive move. Look what happened here. Small daily, big move the next day. Small daily, big move after that. Where did we have? Okay, that was it. So still bullish for me. 5 minute time frame. What do we have on the 5? We've got the... Okay, very simple for me. Bars above here. EJ daily. I think it was EJ that was looking... No, EJ giving a big ab roller. Here's the thing. I'm just telling you now already. Today's going to be massive volume on the yen. Either way. Either it's intervention. Something's going to happen today. There's going to be massive volume on the yen pairs. I can just see how the markets are setting up. There's massive volatility, implied volatility coming. So just be very aware of that. Weekly R1, very simple for me. Bars above 170. There you go. Yeah, it's a little tough. Here it is. Okay, EJ is actually not clean, Chad, if I'm honest. Chad, but markets are open and in motion. This is round 7. Ding, 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 ding. Round 7. No, I'm lying. This is round 9, Keeks. Round 9.
Yeah, round 9. Round
9. Fight. There we go. Chad, markets are now officially open and in motion. Very slow week for me, Chad. If you had a slow week, there's no reason to cry about it. Kiggs, I think this is what makes you stronger as a trader. Believe it or not, Chad.
That definitely does.
This is what makes you stronger. I see some of you said the worst week you had. Here's the thing. If you didn't take a trade, it couldn't have been a bad week because you had no risk. Can't lose if you don't take trades. Also can't make money if you don't put risk on the table. So, two-edged sword. Alright, now we can get to the chat here. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are keeping things clean. 10 rounds in a week. Yes, 10 rounds of fighting here with the market. 10 rounds of trying to improve as a trader, 10 rounds of just absolute chaos sometimes. Gold chat, beautiful. This level for me is so clean. 2340 keys. Your gold level
2346.
Okay, Keegan wants it up here. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it once we get some closures and we can hold here that Friday reversal. Hopefully we can get it. But else, what's in the news? I saw earlier Fab saying JP on his way to Monaco. Bad day to be a twin sister for Bianca because Keegs. What are the boys saying here? What is happening to twin sisters on their way to Monaco, Keegs? What did I say?
Bro, they had to pay for that trip somehow. You know what they say, ass or gas.
Sure. Chad, my boy JP found a spy. Oh, Yella. Who doing Yella that? But Fabs, how did you know he's on his way to onto Monaco? Wait, let me listen here.
That's all.
Chad, absolutely tough day to be a multi-millionaire on your way to Monaco. I can think of a lot worse things to do than sitting now on a plane to Monaco. Keeks, what do you rate?
Yeah, could be in a lot worse situations.
Yeah, Chad, Monaco, baby. Honestly, as a F1 fanatic, Monaco is 100% not a race that.
It's a vibe.
It's just a vibe, but in terms of the racing, it is most probably the most boring race there is.
Yeah, you can't where you qualify. The cars are too big.
Yeah.
They can't overtake. They can't. The only time you're gonna overtake someone's in the pits, and that's it.
Honestly hate when. So I haven't watched a single race this year. No, I'm kidding. I watched half a race, the Bahrain, the first race, but since then I have not watched another race since then, because I'm a bad loser. Because I don't want to watch the same guy win every race. So call me a bad loser. That's fine. It is just also I've got better things to do with my time than to know who's going to win. So anyways, but that Monaco, every single year when that came on the calendar, I was like, let's just get this thing over with.
Wall of Amapiano. What bank are you using with Ozal?
Wall of Amapiano. People go to Monaco for status. I've been to Monaco and you can't see much on the track. Most people sit at restaurants and bars watching off a screen. Only thing you get, yeah. Now, I honestly think it is a status thing. To say like, hey, it's almost like Burning Man. Hey guys, I was at Burning Man. Just had a beautiful spiritual awakening. And yeah, I bought the founder's ticket where I basically paid R500,000 for it just to progress the cause of Burning Man. How much did you pay? Oh, did you get the commercial package for $1 million? Beautiful. Beautiful. Chris, you might only be a bad lover when it's you not competing. What? A bad what? What did I see here now? Lol, that's Africa Burn also. Yeah, bro, it's so weird. Burning Man. But here's the thing. You don't just buy the general admission ticket. You have to buy the one where you donate a lot of money. I just burned R1 million on Burning Man. Because I'm a tech CEO and I just love spending money. No, Chad, I've told you guys the 3 races I really want to go and watch. Silverstone, definitely one of it. Spa, that's also a big one. And then obviously the Italian Grand Prix. I don't know if it's Monza or Imola. Is it Imola where the Tifosi? But actually both. Literally both the Italian Grand Prix.
You know, the only one I'd say on that list, instead of the Italian ones,
Yeah.
I'd do Brazil.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Brazil is also...
I'd do Brazil's such a good track. And the
only
atmosphere...
thing with Brazil is there's only one corner, and I think it's corner 7. So once you go through the straight, you've got that S to the left of that short little straight, and then you've got that little back straight into the left corner again, and only from there can they overtake. It's almost like that U.
No, well, I mean, you from the main straight,
And then the main straight,
you can jump. So then you go into the S, then it's the left down the straight, then you go to the hard left.
Yeah, and that's U. That's
Then
almost like a big circle where it goes into that little
it's a long
yeah.
kink, yeah. Then you go up again, it's another S's, and then it's another left turn before you go into the long straight for the main straight again.
Neil Zandvoort. That track is literally not built for Formula 1 cars.
Bro,
Zandvoort.
we do Silverstone next year. That was a goal. I even said this. I already got permission from the missus. I was like, I'm doing Silverstone next year.
Next year, 100%. Let's do it.
Because she's just like, no, she'll go shopping. I'll go to the F1.
Me and you. And the boys.
100%.
Imagine we can do a giveaway where we can say
take
a few
someone
of the
with us.
chads. Zandvoort.
That would be crazy, bro.
Bro, Zandvoort is literally a go-kart track. And the only reason I took it there is for my boy, Max. Max. Alright. And obviously JP van der Spey is a Max Verstappen.
Of course he is.
You guys are starting to sound like drivers, bro. I can't wait for Hamilton to just get into that Ferrari so I can start watching again next year.
That's the one thing, because you haven't been watching. The Ferraris and the McLarens are actually doing very well.
Yeah, I saw what's the name.
Like, as much as Max is like winning, like the one thing I will say, every single race, his gaps got smaller and smaller and smaller. And now, like, he's fighting on the last lap. He's fighting to win.
Tissy, do me a favor. Just go and rewind. We actually did a full analysis on gold. I'm actually also looking for potential longs here. Purely just due to the fact that we on a Friday, and it's worth a shot. Even if it continues down and I was on the wrong side, that's fine. But just purely due to Fridays we usually look for some type of reversal if the markets were trending, because if you think about it, since Monday we've been trading down. Monday was the high of the week. If you go, that was Monday the 20th, right there. At the Sunday open, that was the high, and we've just been trading down the entire week. So that is why I'm I wouldn't say confident, but I'm not a seller here. 100% not a seller here. And if it continues lower, beautiful, I'm wrong, but I'm going to take my shot on the longs. If we can break above here, hold the retest, and then, that is the first trade of the week. That's going to be my first trade. I'm maybe going into business consulting if I don't take a trade for another week. And we'll call it turnaround G's, where we turn around businesses with turnaround strategies. I don't know, Chad. That's just some of the chatter here in the office. Why not use those degrees, put them to good use? Ruan Clausen saying, I think Silverstone will be a very interesting race this year, especially with the McLaren. Yes, Ruan, I think it's going to be an awesome race. I would love if Lando can just clap Max. The last Grand Prix, the last 2 laps were getting tight between. Yeah, I saw that on Jason Vessel's Instagram.
Yeah, Zaki, I just don't know, hey, if you could say the Max and Norris rivalry has been interesting. Lando's won 1 race, and he's only won ever. And the next race, he was second. Yes, he was there, but that's 2 races. I don't know if you call it a rivalry yet. I'd love to see it, but yeah, I just don't know if it'd be a rivalry yet.
Gideon, it is based on your profits as well. It's it's balance and equity. Since you're not looking to sell gold, would it be risky taking sells on GU? I don't want to sell GU either, bro. That's the thing. I wanna buy above here. That's the thing. I'm not looking to sell GU either. So yeah, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. So here's the thing: the dollar has been trading one way as well. So at least some type of a breather, maybe to 104.54. But yeah, not. Thanks, Chris. I caught all the gold short from Monday to the current low. Tissy, you ledge. I didn't catch anything, so yeah, let me know if you want my banking details. I can send it to you. Then you can just give me at least 20% of that gold short you took. Big shout out to you guys. Learned a lot this week, especially with the Asian session markups. My strategy has been knocking profits out the park because of the edge all provided. Aganang as well. Let me know if I can send you my banking details. No, I'm kidding. No, but awesome, brother. That is ideally what we want to do here. That is what the movement is about. The 2G's movement is about enlightenment when it comes to trading. Basically, motivating you guys, but also to keep us in check. To say, listen, yeah, there's levels that we can still reach. And there's still people that we need to help, especially with how the industry is. So hopefully we can be that shining light. Hopefully you don't ever see us at a Forex Expo taking photos with... Yeah, anyways, Chad. I had a good laugh seeing all the boys there. And then you wonder... Kicks makes you wonder about a lot of things.
Oaks apparently enemies behind the phones, but chummy with each other.
Kicks, let me know when you want to do a GP. I have a contact that sorts out all the tickets, accommodation. They tailor it to the GP. Galen, please get in contact with us. Thumbs upping. Where's Pablo? Okay. How did you two get started with trading? Bro, long story. I think go and watch the Top Trader SA podcast. Then Keegan did his story, so I think that's going to do it a lot more justice. Yeah, Max all the way. I think
these Max boys.
I think just for all you Max guys, the song is just for you guys. Sometimes you have to give credit where credit is due. There we go. For all the Chad, don't say we don't give all you Max Verstappen fuckboys anything. There you go. There you go. For all the Max boys.
How he takes on his opponents. He is a king since Barcelona. He took the lead from Spa to Monza. The smell of fuel and melting rubber. He is a driver like no other. His overtakes are so amazing. He is the boss of hardcore racing. Yo fucking ho, straight to the top. Race to the max, he won't give up. His skills are insane.
Here we go. This can I get all the Max fuck boys to go like this? Here we go. Wait for it. Here comes the drop, baby. Alright, that's about all the marks I can take in one stream. We at least did almost 2 minutes for you guys, so beautiful. Thank you for marks, just absolutely making it unbearable for the rest of us to watch Formula One. We really appreciate marks. MFB, there you go.
Yeah.
Chad, listen here, and there's nothing. Here's the thing: there's nothing wrong with dominating like he's doing. So all credit to him. He's doing very well. It's just for as somebody watching the sport, you actually just feel sad that the other teams have yet to really have an answer towards that. But again, it happens. We actually had a chat about that where Formula One has become this thing. If you get it right in that first year of the regulation change, you are going to dominate for the rest of however long that regulation is in place. So unfortunately, that's how Formula One has become. The previous regulation, Merck dominated. This one, Red Bull dominated. Then think back to Sebastian Vettel, blowing the fuser, all of that. Vettel dominated that. Then thinking back to Renault with Alonso, dominated for about 2 years. So yeah, Chad, it's not like previous years where it's really a battle. It's about you get it right, and the rest is history. Also, he's a very good driver because Checo can't really do anything major with that car. So what do you think about Lewis to Ferrari? I love it. Oscar is also impressive. I just don't like him. I don't know. It's like you.
Bro, my thing is Oscar's got Max's attitude without having any of Max's accolades.
Yes.
Like, you just being an idiot now.
Damn. That makes me think of that guy that read the first Braille Playboy. And he rubbed his hands over the Playboy in Braille and was like, damn. June is going to be crazy for trading indices. Hopefully it is. Pray Kyalami race happens in my lifetime. Liesel, unfortunately, probability is almost 0. Yeah, won't happen. So we can forget about it. For a lot of reasons that I don't even want to go into. So yeah, that race will not happen in our lifetimes. I don't think it will ever happen with the current administration that we have in government. So yeah, maybe 60 years time, but not the boxes, or it's on top somewhere. Damn. Chris, do you always go for 1 to 2 R on your trades? No, not always. Go for 1 to 1. Remember, we talked about it. RR is a relevant statement. Let's say I enter a buy position here and I don't have a stop. What is my RR? I just keep my stop open. There's no stop. So what is my RR then? There's no stop. And I just enter here and I go for a TP there. There's no stop. There's no R here. Also, on the other hand, your risk to reward is also a dynamic thing, where you can start off with risking 10 pips, and as the trade moves, you reduce your risk to maybe 5 pips, and now you've basically doubled your R. So R is a dynamic thing. It's not this consistent thing where it's just static all the time. You think Lewis will thrive at Ferrari? It's not really the thriving for me. It's just that sense of, I've said it so many times, I believe that every good driver at the tail end of his career must get into a Ferrari, just purely for the prestige of it, because Ferrari is a prestigious team when it comes to Formula One, and just the brand, just the Ferrari brand carries so much value, and I love it to see when great drivers go and drive in a Ferrari, just to see that. For instance, when Vettel went there, Kimi, Alonso, all of the great drivers, all have driven for Ferrari. So it's just Michael, obviously moving from Benetton to Ferrari, massive career there. But yeah.
But you know, it's that thing. They put out, and it was just the thing like, you have the record-breaking team with the record-breaking driver. Like, what more could you ask for? Like I said, I don't care how much it costs, bro. But literally, when that kit comes out, like, I'm buying a Lewis Ferrari hat, shirt, jacket, because you're not gonna get that again. That's like a once-in-a-lifetime thing. And that's also my thing, bro. Where I was saying to Kate, I was like, I don't care the costs and things like that, but like, we are doing it next year because I want to go to a race and see it as Lewis at Ferrari.
Yeah, that's Ryan Smith saying it there. Vettel saying everyone's a Ferrari fan. Yeah, bro. Did you see the Ferrari Max bought himself? Was it the SF90 or that Max bought a Ferrari as well? Here we go. Yeah, Chad, gold currently rejecting is 23.40. Chad, remember yesterday when we said not a good time to short here on gold, but we said these equal lows are 100% going to get taken. And then later in the session, got absolutely wrecked. GBP, USD, damn. Sticks widening. Yeah, gold. Come on, give us something. GBP USD failing at the 1 to 700 euro, trying to look like euro GBP actually a stronger one here on the day, so would make a lot of sense this euro trade, but not really convincing. Yeah, we need to see a nice clean break here, at least something like this maybe. Oh, there we go, something like that. Yeah, okay. Chad, get Euro USD ready on your charts. There's that key level. There's that 200 EMA. So I'm gonna potentially go here for a euro play. I at least want a stronger candle. 1 minute. Okay. Let's see. Also a nice and simple trade if we do get it. This is the session high, and once we break that we should see some volume. That's if we close bullish here. So very, very simple. If we get one rejection candle here, I'm out of it. So nice little trade here on the cards. Let's see if this last little push here on the 5 minute, let's see if we can get it. GBP USD, yeah, struggling there. Gold currently struggling here, Chad. And what is DXY doing? Okay, DXY at that 5 minute 200 EMA. At 200 EMA is a bomb, Chad. You can see here. You can almost build a trading strategy around that 200 EMA, the 5 minute one. Look at that. We've said it so many times, the 200 EMA on the 5 minute for the DXY. So yeah, we're gonna need to get through this level. Interesting here. That's the only risk we've got here. Oh damn. Okay, Chad, I'm in here. Just executed longs right there. Euro USD 15 pips stop. Let's see. Okay, Chad, I'm not even gonna go 15. This thing has got almost no volatility. I'm gonna go with the 10 pip stop. Yeah, this thing has got like no volatility. I'm gonna target your Chad. Like, I'm even gonna target 10 pips. I don't. Yeah, 10 pips looks like a stretch for euro with little to no volatility here. So I'm literally gonna target 10 pips. I don't even know if you can squeeze 15 out of euro here. Let's see if we can get 15. I don't know. 15 looks like a lot.
My boy fighting, yeah. You can do it.
Alright, Chad, there we go. Session high. No top wick on this 5. I think once it flips bullish, I'm going to go break even. That's if it flips bullish. If we reject here on this 5 minute candle and we close below this level, 108.17, I'm killing the trade, but beautiful. There you go. There's that minor break of structure. Now the only thing we need to see is DXY starting to trade below this 200. Otherwise, we caught the high of the day here. Keep that in mind. We need to see the dollar index trading below this level, and then I think we are good to go. Euro USD 80 is nice and firmly bullish. We've been trading lower this entire week. 200 EMA on the euro, holding nice and beautifully here. And then also this nice little break, retest, break of structure here for the continuation. And there you go, chat. That is the setup that we are playing with here. 10 pip stop, 15 pip target, almost no volatility here. So let's see. Risk management scenario, as mentioned, any candles below here, below this level, and I'm out. And that is the trade, Chad. Okay, let me just zoom it out for you guys. First trade of the week, and let's see how she goes. What is gold doing? Gold rejecting 23.40. Keeks, you wouldn't consider shorting, yeah?
No, I want it higher.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, for me today, like I want a specific thing. I think because we've had a very expensive week. I'm not gonna take anything 50% or stuff like that.
You can do it, Chris. Keegan's voice. Zach, Gemini, I haven't seen you in a while, my brother. Hope you are doing well. When Keegan starts with that, you can do it, Chris, then I know he thinks I'm in a cack position. That's Keegan's way of saying, bro, you're in a cack position. Get out of it.
I back that one though. That's not a bad one.
What is this level? Yeah, 108, 108.17. Okay, Chad, let's see. This next candle needs to do work, Chad. I'm just being very honest with you. This next candle, this 30-minute needs to flip and it needs to drive. Drive. What is this? Yo, this is an aggressive playlist.
It's going in here, bro.
Yo, aggressive.
My boy was like, listen, we're not playing copyright today, so he's just going in on it.
Yo, Chad, I don't know. Did the markets just freeze? Yo, what happened? Okay. Chad, I'm going to be very aggressive. So once we get a break above here, I'm going break even because I can't sit in a trade that's going to stall. So once it breaks there, yeah, I'm going break even because why? Volume. I want to see volume. This is also the 30-minute creating a top wick then. There we go. Chad, I'm going to break even here, making this a risk-free trade. And if it comes back, I'm 100% happy to take a break-even trade here. I don't want this thing to even play around here. This thing must just drive. Otherwise, it is a cuck trade. Trades that work, move. The cuck trades range. So, can I say cuck, Keegan? Is that?
I think
that's not frowned upon, eh?
Nah.
Okay. Yeah, Chad. So break even. There you go. As quick as they come. And here's the thing: if it was gonna drive there, it was gonna drive. So already retested the key level, Chad. Let me just take you through this trade. We already tested the 200 year. We are already very extended to the downside. We already tested this level here. So there's no reason for price to come back here again and dabble here because this just means that we are not going higher. So yeah, break even on this trade. Let me journal this. First trade of the week, break even. That was very quick. What time was that? 9. We took a 9:30. Yeah, 5 minutes before 9:25. All right, Chad. What is gold doing? I just want to monitor gold. 9:25. Let's just do this. Beautiful. This was a buy continuation 1. This was on Euro USD. We don't even have Euro USD in here. Let me just add. Okay. EMAs are basically flipping bullish. Okay, 80 was bullish, yeah. Daily bias was bearish, weekly bias was bullish. Price was trading below the pivot. I really like the trade, but that's just how we're gonna manage the trade. Can't play around with the trade. Can't play around with it. Okay. GBP USD. Okay. Gold. Let's see here. Yeah, still happy to look at gold and GBP USD as well. What is Euro doing? Is this one of those? Yeah, this thing is just messing around here, Chad. Okay, let's check. Let's check the chat. Yeah, just waiting here for gold. Thanks, Chris. I also had my journal and Notion last night. Beautiful, my brother. Will you let us know before and when the launch of project? Really don't want to miss it. I can't be in every session.
Just pre-register.
Yeah, let me just get the link is in the description of this video, but let me pop it in the chat as well. Project G chat. After our meeting last night with Front Shot chat, the amount of stuff we're gonna bring to you guys, and especially for the guys that have the free version of TradingView. I know not everybody has the means to buy the pro version. So we're literally going to put everything into one indicator for you. So when you sit in front of your charts, it's exactly the same as ours. Yeah. So we don't need to even have those questions. Hey, Chris, Keegan, what is the EQ? Where is the EQ? Yeah, we literally
just put on Chris's indicator or Keegan's indicator and you'll have all of our stuff.
We're literally going to put FAQs in there, Chad. Like, what is the indicator? What does it do? How do you use it? A checklist on your Chad. I don't think you guys are ready, but I sound now like those marketists. Next 6 months is going to be a movie, Keegan. Just going harder than ever. Chasing those dreams, chasing those goals. I've seen this movie play out so many times before, and it's all just success.
Guys.
If I'm doing well, brother, I've been off the markets for a while, but I'm back now. Awesome, man. Zach, I haven't seen you in a while, my brother. So I hope you are doing well. Interesting read. Stock split could potentially get the company included in the Dow Jones. Yeah, I see a 10-to-1 split, Fubs. That's what I read. 2G's trading. Where can I get a journal like that, brother? Slashy 5,000 Rand gets you the journal and 2 feed picks. One of mine, one of Keegan. And if you pay 10K, we actually do a feet pick where both me and Keegan put our feet together like this. Where he's on the one side, I'm on the other side. And if you pay 15K, we do the one where we rub our feet like this. Yeah, so think about that. Don't know if you guys are ready for that. Next 6 months, monk mode. Donnie, there you have it. Monk mode, dark mode. Deleting social media for 6 months. Might feel cute and re-download it tonight. Yeah, Matthew. The one that's gonna cost you 250K is the one where we basically rub our feet on top of one another like this. Like the bottom, we do that for like 5-10K, but 250K gets you the foot. Chris, how on earth do you come up with these things, Kaylin? ADHD does that. Your mind is just there's a lot of energy in the mind. I'll take the 10K. Okay, /10K, and we'll do that. Oh, Chad, beautiful. Yo, what is this playlist today? Yo, the amount of F-bombs I just heard there was...
You getting us cancelled today, bro.
Bro, the amount of F-bombs in that song. Holy.
This man's on a mission to get us cancelled.
I can't imagine Chris as a student in a classroom, bro. That's why I skipped a lot of class. Yeah, delete social media now. Reinstall tonight when bored. Chat, Keeks, you know what's the funniest thing? I think it was my second year. The guys I studied with. So I studied with a lot of sweaty tryouts. I love all of them. For the guys that maybe they're watching and they're like, Chris, I was in your engineering class, bro. 98% of you were sweaty tryouts. And the reason I say that, they were those guys, Keeks. They would sit in the library. Yeah. And you would come in, maybe just do something, and they're like, "Yeah, no, I've already done all my work," and it's like, "Oh, it feels so good having all my work done," and I'm like, "Bro, I'm like, anyways, fuck, let me just move along here." That one trimester, I only attended 2 classes, and then the second trimester, when I came back, the boys were like, "Bro, we thought like you dropped out." And I'm like, no, why would you think I dropped out? Are you fucking retarded? Like, you saw me in the exams. "Oh, no, but we just never saw you in class." I said, "Yes, because I'm not as sweaty and as try-hard as you." Yes, bro, Oxford, very try-hard. I think like for engineering, I think that's where all the sweaty tryhards are. Yo, it was too much for me, bro. And that like after test, bro, it's like, oh, so easy, so easy. I'm like, bro, don't talk rubbish here. So easy. That was the most horrific test I've ever written. Easiest test in my life. I've never had something so easy. And I'm like, yo, fuck you, bro. I'm going. Bro, why not admit like this thing was tough, bro? Like, why do you have to act like this was so easy? Did you also have those sweaty trials at school?
You can't show weakness, bro.
I didn't really study for this thing. Maybe like 2 hours. Walks out, easiest test of my life. Studied 2 hours.
You know what was though? What did used to happen though? Was like I wouldn't study for a test, and like I'd walk out and I'd be like, that wasn't that bad. Like I thought it was gonna be worse. Wasn't that bad. But then you see like the clever kids, like the 98%ers, they walk out there crying, and you're like, okay, well I failed. Like I failed.
Bro, I know exactly, Chad. Look at that. Fuck my life. Anyways, look at Euro. Bro, this hurts. We got in here. Chad, we literally, that's our entry there. A mighty 5 pips. Anyways, Keys, so, you know, I've had that where you thought it was good. And then when you chat to the guys afterwards, they're like, bro, I just got hammered. And then you're like, but what do you mean? Bro, that thing was so tough. And then you were like, maybe I was on a different universe.
Bro, that's what they like. You know, bro, but like section C. And you just, they're like,
Was there
was a
sections?
section C?
Yeah, if you turn on the 7th page and you turn it around, there was a little envelope. It was a trick question. Bro, so I had that on the one exam. I never checked the last page. And the guys were like, yes, but what did you do with that Bernoulli's theory, whatever? I think it was the hydraulics test. And I'm like, what do you mean the Bernoulli? No, on the last page, it was right at the back, like on the back. I'm like, bro, what do you mean? Yeah, it was that big 30-point question. I'm like, yo, okay. See you guys tomorrow. I'm off. Bro, and then those sweaty trials, love it if you miss something. All right, Chad. Who's still in the Euro? I'm not in the Euro. Unfortunately not. This is trading in a low volume market for you. This is trading in a low volume market for you, Chad. Just to show you there. Yeah, there was my position. Got stopped out there. Anyways, yeah. All right. Let's see if we can at least get gold or... Still in the EU trade, only went to be beautiful, brother. At least if somebody can at least catch something here today, just from the analysis and this trade. Beautiful. I'm happy. This was most probably this is the only clean setup I've seen this week, where we had the EMAs, we had the AD, we had a key level, we had a beautiful break of structure here. This is what a good setup looks like. The management for me, I'm very happy with the way I managed it, because technically, in theory, after this candle closure here, at the highs, that little liquidity sweep there, it happens. But anyways, Chad, if you got something here, a little something, not a lot, it's at least a little something. Julle is kaksnaaks vir oggend. Hey Bev. Ons try nie wees nie, maar dit is maar 'n talent wat ek en Keegan, ons is gebore met dit. Risk management saves your life, but it hurts you when it Connor, bro. It is sometimes I don't know what's worst. Getting stopped out of a trade like this and then seeing it run, or taking a stop loss. Then you feel like I'll rather take a stop, but this you feel hard done by. Chris Bernoulli's was a different story. Serious headaches with that one. Yo, bro. Hydraulics was a... Here's the thing, chat. Till today, I don't know why in hydraulics design that we need to calculate. Chad, this is literally what we had to calculate. So let's say there's a pipe here. There's a pipe that runs along here. And there's stormwater running in that pipe. And there's an amount of Q flow coming in here at whatever rate. And then you need to calculate at what stage does this the water running here So what happens with water coming in at a certain force and the diameter of the pipe is it creates a negative wave where it's not flowing in the direction it should. It actually creates almost like a back wave where I don't know if you've seen it, maybe in wave pools, where it will run in one direction and then it would hit up and then it would want to come back. Bro, we literally had to calculate where in the pipe that little negative, I don't even know what the name is, but it's basically a negative wave that hits against the flow, because that distorts the flow in the pipe and that can cause almost like a pressure lock. And I was like, bro, why am I calculating this? But anyways, we did it. And your thoughts on the school system? Very broad question, Kion. That is one of those questions. It's just broad. Bring it to me more in a concise manner. Ask me about something in the school system. I don't know, bro. That question is just very. Your thoughts on the school system? No, Kion, please bring it in. Bring it in closer. Make it more specific. I'm still in. Beautiful. Any BTC analysis? Yeah, Savage, just buy BTC. Bernoulli sounds like pasta. No, he was actually Italian. I think a physicist. Bernoulli. Yeah, physicist and mathematician. So a lot of the stuff we used in hydraulics and mechanics was from Bernoulli. Yeah, all of this stuff. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Daniel Bernoulli, you legend. Bernoulli sounds like pasta. Chris, have you watched the new docu-series School Ties? No. Where's it, Etty? Let me know. Is it on Netflix? I want to watch it. Gebore met, dat kan nie help nie, ons het it. It's about water polo coaches and how they groom. Whoa, bro. Send that to me. Chris, have you ever did a HAZOP study? HAZOP. Let me just see. I don't even know what HAZOP is. HAZOP study. No. I think we maybe called it something else. Nila, ek dink ons het dit gedoen, maar het sou iets anders te. Het lyk soos iets wat ons project management sou gedoen het. Chad, look at this. Oh my days. 6 pips, can you believe it? Chad, I might take GBP USD if we can get a break above here. Hourly candle closing now in no bottom wick. Okay, cancel that idea. It's basically eddying itself. Do you have a Jenko Dill, here's my tip for you, my brother. Get your trading plan. That tells me you don't have a trading plan. In your trading plan, you should have a trade management plan as to when you cut the trade, when you move stops to break even, when you take profit. So that for me is you've got a lack of a plan. You don't have a plan. You've got an idea, no plan. And then once you've got the plan, execute the plan. School ties on catch up. Ek het nie meer DStv nie, Etty. Ek het nie meer DStv nie. Ek het dit gecancel want ek net Formula 1 gekyk. Yeah, I think it's hammering. Yeah, I think you did calc estimate where your hammer block should be. Oh yeah, you're right. Some of you boys need to know where the hammer blocks are going to be over the weekend. Kicks, I'm just going to get water.
No stress.
Chad, you guys are. Anyways, I'll see you guys now.
Yeah, Chad. Bit of a slow one for me today. I'm just waiting for gold purely. NAS USD. I think we stick it after to our little R&D trade. We're gonna stick to that in New York session. So yeah, just waiting here for gold. We know we want to take it. So no half-ass in that one. But how's this week been for you guys, Chad? Profitable week? Yeah, brother.
What do you know about that Euro USD just running? Running without us.
It's doing the things.
You and Mo saying that things. Sal kyk. Okay. Dis iets wat elke ouer moet kyk. Ja, ek moet dit kyk. Chris, het jy al Sound of Freedom gekyk? Nee. Chris, what can you at SMC trading? I don't know. What can you at? No. Musa, please try again, my brother. I don't mind answering questions, but what can you at SMC trading? That's tough for me, brother. Chris, what do you call a little Mexican? Checo Perez. Good week on my side. Could be better. All right, Savage Society. You absolute machine. Bad week for me, break even. No, that's not a bad week. Dorcas, you still in the top 5% in the world. 95% lost. You didn't lose. Yes, much profitable. Ruan Clausen. I'll send you my banking details as well. Yes, Keeks, just need one more day on my face too. Matthew Kopke, Chris Keeks, any advice? I've been going for 1 to 2 on my trades. I go B at 1 to 1, but constantly been getting stopped out of B. Should I maybe close partials and let that runner? Matthew, lock in 1 to 1. Build the innings. Don't overcomplicate it. That is what's changed it for Javen. That is what's changed it for Keegan. It's that case of pay yourself. Keegan will tell you, Keegs, what is better? Securing $400 on a trade or paying, let's say, $30 commission?
Securing the $400.
There you go. A paragraph because it's not quite an essay. Hey, Kaylin. It's 10 o'clock. It's only 9 o'clock in London. We can't be having those jokes with our tea now, Kaylin. Naughty. But let's keep those for a little bit later. Let's try those ones again a little. Chris, we should review his Mo analysis during every stream. He's been killing it. Dude, here's the thing. As much as he's been getting in good trades, he's been profitable the last 3 weeks. But it's still not. He's still not killing it. He's doing well, but let's be real here. He's not. It's not refined yet. And all Mo's doing is he's taking the direction of the 4-hour candle at 7 o'clock in the morning. So there's still a lot of refinement. He's been doing well, but so this candle, the 7 o'clock candle, basically from 3. So for instance, yesterday, this candle was short. He executed short there. And it just looks at a break of structure. There was a minor structure break there. Nothing special, beautiful strat. I told Mo now I just needs to put a plan towards it. What is the trading plan? Because currently it's very rough, undefined. So yeah, trading is simple. We've talked about it. You don't have to make it complicated or anything. Very, very simple. Trading is super simple. It's just following your plan. Gold, yeah, we're just waiting for gold here. Very choppy here. Chop, chop, chop. Long weekend in EMEA and USA till Monday. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe the DJs are going to take some advantage of this last bit of volume. Long weekend. You don't want to be holding trades over the weekend on a long weekend. I only trade SNR and I'm up 21. Hey, Kalen, that is what you want to hear. SNR 21.63 for May. Beautiful, beautiful, simple. What time frame, Kalen? Hour, 4 hour. SNR. Keeks, you also a SNR trader, eh? Or
No, STC.
Shit, yeah, sorry man.
Yeah.
Listen, yeah, we have to do STC shit. We have to, bro. We have to. And then we'll say I trade STC. And then on the back of the shirt, we can have smart Tolly concepts.
Nah, I back it.
Chad, you always knew what Jakes was going to come with who trades STD. STD, hey my brother. Yo, Jakes. Jakes is naughty. Keeks, what's happening here? You blitzing the comments there. Sure.
The comments.
Yeah, I'm just seeing a lot of notifications come through here. Oi. Hey, my boy. Hey, my boy. Hey, there we go.
That was a banger, bro.
Chad, Keegan going viral, yeah. Virility. Yo, boy. Keeks, those 2 reels from yesterday fighting just to even feeling cute. Might even delete it later. Holy. Do you think maybe that song is a little bit like overused?
It could be, but for me, I know it's just I lost my momentum. One post in a week, that's not up to scratch, bro.
Did you do 1 post this week?
Yeah, I waited the whole week for my content. 1 post in a week.
Oof, okay. Brian, the thing is I've got a positive RR here. That's the only thing, the average watch time. Maybe I don't know. This other one is starting to
I don't want to hear it, bro.
What's that?
I don't want to hear it. Don't say it.
What?
Which one are we talking about now?
No, I'm saying this one is doing cuck, bro. This one, like,
What's the other one doing?
no, this one is grinding 16.7.
It's gonna get there, bro. Once you're off the 20, it will climb a bit.
What is the impressions looking? Oh, okay, it's looking better. Yesterday was 380, basically 390 this morning. What is Keegan doing here? Let me see. Chad, me and Keegan have like a little contest going here with the content. Keegan obviously hitting 500,000 as your 405, 105. This other little one is starting to put in some work. 5-9. Okay, so you sweet chinning me there, bro. 5-9. Where's mine at? So it's about 1,000 below it.
Oh.
Chad, wait.
You can't cheat yet, right?
I'm gonna pull in the chat.
Don't cheat ya.
Chad,
You can't do that.
Help your man out here, Chad. I'm gonna share a link here.
Guys, no. You share.
Chad, listen here. Do me
This
a
is
favor.
such cheating.
You've got this afternoon too. Chad, I'm gonna need all of. I need to rally you guys here. Help me out here. Keegan is bullying me here. He's bullying me. Wait. Keegan is really bullying me. And then he does this little grin where he knows he's bullying me.
It's a lie, Chad. It's a lie.
Chad, I want you guys to go and watch this real quick. It's a 6-second reel. And then you can just comment anything. You can just drop a quick comment. Let me bring it up here.
Look at this man cheating here, Chad.
Let me just bring this thing up. I'm feeling cute. I might even boost that. Chad,
Is that where we going now?
Chad, do me a favor. Let's quickly blitz that reel. Let's drop a like there.
Chad, just go report that reel.
No, Chad. I need all of the Chads here. Just go that reel. Maybe do me a favor. Watch it at least twice. 10 seconds. So 10 seconds. Drop a like, a comment. Gooi a like there for the weekend.
Yeah.
And let's quickly bump that thing. Chris beating. No. What's the name is beating the algo? Keegs is absolutely. It's a bad day to be an algo. Keegs going on to 500,000 on his one reel. It's a bad day to be a TP if you are still in Euro USD. It's Fridays, boys. Our time frame. Just wait for the 15-minute shuffle and wait for Mark to go to my zone. Enter the thing that helped me with journaling my trades. Kalen, beautiful. So the 1 hour, 15-minute wait, 1 hour time frame. Okay. Question I have, Kalen, is what is your entry criteria once it goes to your zone? And what do you consider to be a support and resistance zone? And how do you enter? That's always my thing. It's interesting to see how the guys enter their trades. Do you enter on the hourly? Do you just put pending orders in there? What do you do? Any fundamentals to look out for next week? 2Gs and Dorbo. We still focus on this week, my brother. But Monday, we're going to start locking in for next week. So...
Chris, what's your impressions of today? Did you finally hit 400?
No, 390.
No, bro. Come on.
390.
Ah.
I need you to boost me, bro. I need you to boost me a little. You have to stop Keegan's abuse. There you go. There you go, Chad. I can get behind that. I can get behind that. Blitz, Jeremy, beautiful Matthew. Henlo. Look at the chat just coming through here. Beautiful. I'm actually going to... Chad, you guys are legends. Keeks, I'm just gonna throw over to your screen. I see guys are adding me here to some type of call here.
Chad, now this is the part where while our boy's away, now you just go and you punt my one. So he comes back and he's gonna be like, yo, what just happened? Yeah, Chad, no, it's actually been crazy, the love and that and the growth on social media. Yeah, we loving it, but yeah, it's been insane. Yeah, being crazy. Oh, I found a random pair. I try my salary into it with a one and I pray. Oh my word. Break the high of the day. Anyone to look? No, not now. As I said to you guys, we did an R&D. I'll stick to my theory and I only trade indices in New York session. So still waiting here, Chad, waiting for the pullback till there, and that's where we want to see the move back to the downside. Yeah. Damn, Chad. Also, I mean, look at it now. We 8.7, nearly 9k subscribers. Like, it's really just growing from strength to strength. I don't know what song this is, but it's a vibe. Chad, your boy, getting himself some chow here this morning. Literally was rushing again to the office. So we are getting everything done that we need to. But yeah, your boy getting some Maccas. Hey Jeremy, that's what we're talking about, the double blitz. That's what we want to see. That is what we're talking about there, Chad. Jeremy leading by example there. Taking one for both the team. 10k soon, yeah guys. We said 10k by June. That is the goal. So far we're on par. It's looking very realistic. I mean, if we can hit 9k by the end of next week, then we have the month of June to hit 10k. Keegan, after you pass Vault Fund accounts, can you only withdraw profits in 30 days? Yeah, only after 30 days. Keeg, C63 or M3? I'd actually go C63 over an M3. I'm more an M4 guy, if you know me, but the C63 I'd take over an M3, yeah. Hey, Rian, there we go, M4. M4, M5 comp, M4 comp, every day of the week. C63 all the way, yeah, they mad, bro. They mad. But obviously the V8, not these new ones, the V8. But guys, a little one, it's like if you guys know me, like I said, the one car, I just have such a thing for them. Like I love them, I always have. And I said the day when I truly treat myself, is when I'm gonna buy the AMG GT. I've always loved those cars. They are badass cars. They sound insane. They look insane. They're a sports car, but they almost look classy at the same time. I love them. So probably after the M4, or maybe the M4 becomes like more a daily, and then the weekend car, like my first supercar, if you want to call it, being a AMG GT. So that's what I want to get. That's the dream right now. Keeks, what was your first car? Normal Impreza, bro. Yeah, the normal Impreza. Keeks, I think they sold your whole green one, bro. I wouldn't even be surprised. That thing was beautiful. Keeks, the AMG GT Speedo goes to 360 standard. Insane car to drive. No, they are insane, bro. And the thing is, for me, like, I don't know what it is about them, but like, guys don't like them that much. I don't know why. So for me, I am a guy where I don't like having a car that everyone has. So for example, like everyone wants a GTR, everyone wants an R8, all these cars where like that AMG GT kills, bro. For me, it's a blacked out RS6. Nah, bro, those are nice fobs. That is nice. I think I would get one when maybe I'm a bit older, like when I'm like really like more older, like when I'm maybe close to like my 40s, then I'd maybe look at RS6 purely because it's just more like sensible, let's call it that. But yeah, it's still a sports car. I noticed you guys prefer the compacts. I don't know what you mean by that, bro. The compacts. F1 safety car, yeah, absolutely insane. My family would disown me if I came home in a Merc. The Batmobile, yeah. What you driving currently, Keeks? At the moment, so I sold my WRX, got the daily, just for priorities at the moment. So me and the missus want to buy a home now, own our first home, and start developing property. Then I said I'll treat myself and get the M4. So yeah, it was just a case to get rid of the sports car for now, get a daily that we can just start building up more and more capital to buy property. So that was the idea. So yeah, I've got a BM 120D at the moment as a daily. I'm the same, bro. That's why I drove a Volvo. Seriously underrated, but I had lots of people lessons. Bro, I must say the Volvo, what's it, the V30? I think it is, hey? That hatch, the V30. Those are good looking cars. They really are. Any thoughts on the current Type R Civic? I must say I like the look of them outside. They look very aggressive. The inside, boring as shit. The best part about the inside is the bucket seats. Other than that, the car looks so dull. But that's what I say, the outside to the inside they don't match up. Keeks, you check that AMG GT Black Series, bro, that thing's moist. Yes, please, awesome car. C-Class 3 Series Golf, etc. Yeah. Okay, I get what you're saying. Yeah, big body is the way for me. Yeah. Keeks, what do you think about the Chevy 06? Bro, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't look bad actually. But under the hood, like mechanically, I don't know that much about it. So I don't know like that much mechanically about it. But visually, it doesn't look that bad. It really doesn't. Everyone, yeah, wants to talk cars, lol. Yeah, C30, that's what I had. Awesome. Yeah. Or is it the C30, eh? C30, V30, C30. But you know the one I'm talking about, those hatches. Not the one with the big window at the back, the smaller window. But the newer shape of them, but like I said, very, very good looking cars. Keeks, would you ever get a Corvette? Hell yes, bro. Hell yes. 120 stage 2 will get good power. Keeks. You know the guy, one of my mates who works at one of the shops, he even said to me, he's like, bro, please bring it in. He says the 120D, like, they really do get good bump in power. But I'm not doing it because if I do it, I'm going to start playing with cars. And the whole point of this was to be a daily. So yeah, I'm just staying away from it. I've got the 320D. Oh, awesome, bro. No, they're awesome cars. fuel efficient, but they've got, I mean, they're still 2-liter motors, so they still got that oomph in it. I'm super happy with it. How long were you trading? I'll be going on October, will be 6 years. Hello guys, gold sell or buy, please. Do you want to sell? But I only want to sell at 23.46. Hey Keeks, I switched my factory stock to aftermarket Corsa Extreme in Mustang. I posted in 2G's Discord, listen to it. Oh, it's sick, bro. I'll definitely go listen to it. I can't play it now because if I play it now, the way our audio is set up, I won't hear it. So I'll listen to it afterwards. But I'll definitely check that out. She said it was the 2-door hatch. The V40 is the 4-door hatch type. Okay, yeah, so it is the V40. Yeah, okay. Hello guys, gold seller buy please. Okay, I just answered that, bro. Don't spam. I did answer you. Trails on naturally car guys, 100%. I actually really think that's a very, very true statement. Morning, new Ford Raptor, bro. Not even, okay, so the Raptor, 100%. But all the new Fords, I think, are super, super good. They literally look like the overseas trucks now. Like those trucks. So I love the new facelift in the Fords. That was actually even something I was talking to Chris about, is I was saying, if for now, if I don't, it's just something I was toying with in my head, was I was going to get like a normal, like a decent home now to have for a while, and then get the sports car, and then later on get the bigger home, like the forever home, for where I'll grow like with my family and stuff like that. But then I sat back and I was like, but why don't I, if I do, it was something I was thinking of, was I'll even ditch the sports car for now, get myself a new car, and then I was actually gonna say get myself the new Ford Wild Track. So literally like brand new out the box, like spec it out, and get something like that, and then get like a nice house. So that was something I actually was toying with. But yeah, the new Ford's super nice. A Trackhawk, insane. A mate of mine, his dad has one. Ford Focus R is also a machine. They are, but they obviously only manual, which is nice, but then it needs to be a toy, like a weekend thing or stuff like that, where you take out every second, third day. Any of those manual, I'm tired of dailying, bro. Like, it's just city, morning traffic, things like that. It's a nightmare. I hate it. We trade to buy nice cars, exactly. No kids in the plans, Keys. No, bro. That's kind of where the whole thing was, the forever home coming up, and that was, and I want to have the goal. Me and my partner, obviously, we want to have 2 kids. So yeah, the goal, the dream would be having 2 kids. Keeks, you see the Sharks win at Tottenham, bro? It is. I saw, because they still made a statement. They're like, yeah, the Sharks could potentially win a trophy in the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium before Tottenham, which was quite funny. But trying to park next to those ranges are a problem getting in and out. Yeah, forget the cars, going to investment property instead. Yeah, Ryan, that's what I was saying. So I was thinking long term. Obviously growing my property portfolio is a lot better. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe the kid and the trader in me comes out and I still get the car, but we'll see how things go. Manual cars only. Nah. Trust me, bro. So, for example, like for example, the M4. You're not gonna drive that thing in manual. You're gonna have it in semi-auto, so you can use the flappy pedals. But yeah, I think when you want to have fun, the flappy pedals and that are awesome. When you want to maybe have a track car, being able to bang it through the gears, that is fun. But dailying, driving in the streets, autos are just so nice. Keys, is there a big difference in your strategy and the strategy Chris uses? I wouldn't say there's really big differences. But if you maybe wanted to say it in the confluencies and how we take the trades, there's differences. I think that would be the best way to say it. In the strategy, not so much. Like, for example, his pivots are normally my key areas or key levels. His entry criteria is pretty close to my entry criteria. But reasons behind why we can take a trade, that's a little bit different. Keys, how old are you? 25. That's crazy, yeah. So being a journeyer. Thoughts on the Golf 7 GTI? Bro, they are great cars. No doubt in it. They are great cars for what you're paying for. The package you get all in one. They're great cars, but I personally would never buy one. That's just it. I never buy one. But as I say, first they are good cars. Dreamsoap M3 G80 Golf 8R BMW X5M McLaren. Nah, bro, that's a solid setup. My daily work round trip was 120 kilometers in peak hour traffic. Used to take about 2 hours each way. All my cars have been manuals. Monster left calf as a result. Oh my word, Bevan. But no, bro. For example, like that's exactly what I say. Like manuals are fun, but after that, I'm over it. Like, bro, just for example, like literally this BM now is the first automatic I've ever owned. My family's had a lot of automatics, obviously, but this was my first automatic I ever bought. But yeah, as I say, trust me, I'm a manual guy, but for daily get around, automatic, it's just easier, bro. Just more relaxing. I'm already stressed out by my trading. I don't need to be worried about sitting there in traffic. As I say, growing the calf muscles. Stop on GU shorts triggered. Let's see. Oh, best of luck with that one, bro. W for keys answering questions. Hey, bro. As I said, we're waiting. Yeah, we got a very specific trade we want to take. So, of course, we're just gonna hang out with the Chad. Yeah. How long have you been trading favors? 6 years. Like 100 questions. That's my goal I've set for the end of next year. I need a GTR. Now, bro, you can do it. Are you specifically what? Are you looking for the 7 GTI, hey? Specifically that one. Oh, you want it? Oh, yeah, you did say golf. There you are. I must say for me, if like whatever, I would only do a golf. I don't like the polos. The polo is just, yeah, no. The golf is at least a way better looking car. Floor bells make the driving experience fun. Manual is stress in traffic. Yeah, Kaylin, that's exactly what I'm saying. I agree with you there. You get to take your trading stress out on the clutch, though, hanging through gears. Bro, the worst though was, so obviously when I had my WRX, we set it up for the track. So I had a very, very tough clutch. So super. And now, like on a leg day, bro. Yes. Try and leave the gym in that thing and you, your legs are shaking there. That car's trying to jump the whole time. No, that wasn't fun. You need both legs for that clutch, yeah. Nah, that thing was a mission, bro. Like I always say to guys, it's super fun having race cars until you drive a race car in daily conditions. Hey, bro. Okay, so your Velar SVA full tanks at 2K and you only get 390. Are they that heavy? Like, to be fair, bro, I honestly, like I always said, like for the missus, like I want to get her a Velar. Personally, I love the shape of the Velars. They're beautiful cars, inside, outside. They're big. I've always said I wanted to get a Velar as a family car. So, but damn, I don't know. Are they that heavy? Yes. That sounds like, so my dad had one of the Jeep Wranglers and those things are heavy, bro. Those are heavy. Damn, I don't know the Velars that heavy. Well, I get the Polo TSR. They are the best. They drive it, cheap to maintain too. Yeah, I know they are. Chat, I'm gonna be here now. Hey, I'm back, Chad. Sorry, guys. My food arrived, and all the other guys were quickly, all, like everyone's in meetings, so I just had to quickly get it. Where were we? Fun having a race car until it breaks. Yo, bro. that's a whole nother ball game. Keeks, how's the new PC going? Absolutely loving it, bro. Loving it. Actually, the only thing about it, which I still want to upgrade, is I want to get, because at the moment it's just got one of the normal air-cooled fans on it. Those like block ones that are on top of the CPU, but I want to go to water cooling. So obviously I know I want a 3-fan, but I specifically, guys, I don't know if you've ever seen it, the water cooling system for my PC, guys, yeah, where the LED display, you can custom it to like a photo or a GIF or anything like that. Does anyone know which water cooling system that is? Because I want to get that, but I have no clue, like, because all the ones that come up, it's like a block one, and then they just show like temps and that you can't customize them. So that's why I'm like, where the hell? Like, please don't tell me it's only overseas. Yeah, it's a 5.5 liter V8, but we have an SVR with a normal Velar. We have 105 in the country. Damn, bro. Kaylin, if you don't mind, you must send a photo of it in the Discord car area, please. I'd just love to check it out. That is sick. Chad, if you took the GU signal, I dropped in the chat. Going BE. Hey, the white rabbits. As I said, bro. W on the trade there. Keep killing it, man. Our work car was a modded 3.6 Rubicon. Shoo. But that was on 37 upgrade axles and gearing. Damn. The boys got some toys here in the chat. Yeah, so it's on my days insane. Try NXT CPU fan. Okay, we'll do, Chris. Let's just have a look here quickly, Chad. Let's have a look here. NXT water cooling. So you see, like, that's the thing, guys. So let me just put it on the screen quickly if you guys can see it. So I want the 3-fan, but when you look at it, so like this one barely has nothing, but this, yeah. So like those are those square ones which don't do anything. So this is the one it looks like, but they just show you that. Like they can't be customized. They preset to this, unless I'm just. Okay, well this one does say it can be customized. Hey, animated GIF, so it is this one. Okay, hold on. Let's see ya, Chad, let's see ya. Okay, that's not there. I don't know who that place is. Tekken, I don't know who they are. That's .com, so it's international. That's the thing, that now the problem is where in South Africa can you order it from? A 360 minute audio one. Hey, okay, so EveTech does that. Hey, it's on special. Okay, hold on, out of stock. Oh, for flip sakes. This was on that first photo. We're gonna just take a photo here so I can remember. Yeah, to this thing. Okay, then we know which one that is. I can order that. I'll get all of them, see if they can get stock. Alright, well, shot, Chad. You guys help me with that one. But other than that, that's the only thing I wanted to get on the PC. Then I'm stoked with the PC then. EveTech has it there. Okay, shot. Sam, what's the soundtrack? I don't know, Sam. I can't see it from here. Keegan, you have a high-end top-line PC. Stick with Corsair. The thing is, well, that's what so personally, most of my stuff is all Corsair. So the RGB, all of that stuff's all Corsair. But now, I specifically don't think they have the customizable one. Corsair, I see you elite CPU cooler. Okay, hold on. Let's just have a look at this other one you guys are saying there quickly. Slashy, which is the one you talking about? This one, yeah. So if this is the same, I'd want to go white because the PC build's white. Yo, that is the white one, but let's just look here. I just want to see, is it customizable? Hey, there we go. Okay. Ah, there is the white. Okay, then we can go with this one, Chad. We can go with this one. So again, ooh, and EveTech has stock. Okay. So I can do that off the stream. There we go, Chad. You guys gave me to spend money here. Honestly, I'm not a massive car guy, so I don't know much in-depth knowledge. All I know is GTRs are mad cool and sound sick for a solid price. No, let's just say, yeah, for the price, they are a bang for your buck type of thing. For like 2K app, very decent. Okay, awesome. So lots, but breaking enough from there for me. I'll be back at marketing for Nasdaq. Hey, there we go. Just get to the chat. Happy trading. Cheers, brother. Check you for New York. There we go. That's the one I sent in the chat. Okay, perfect. Yeah. I know the white is always more expensive. I don't know freaking why. Apparently it's more expensive to paint something white. But, yeah, obviously it'll just look better in the long run. I mean, my whole PC is white and then have a black water cooler, which takes up quite a bit of space. Will just look odd. So, yeah, I think we'll just take it and go for the white. Chris, gold buy incoming. Maybe, guys, for me, I personally want the cells, remember, so I'm going to wait for the cells. What GPU are you running? 3080 Ti. Hey, Lilith, what's up? Yo, market's dead today, Chad. What time is that the Sharks game tonight, guys? If you, for our South African people though, yeah. What time is the Sharks game? Uh, 9 o'clock. Okay. It's a bit of a late game, but that's chilled. No. What do you mean who bought us? Yeah. Yeah. No, I was waiting for you to finish there.
Chad's still holding on,
They're waiting.
Chad.
For me, I'm done, bro. I'm
Really?
not taking anything.
No,
home.
man, you can't be done. We have to take a little something.
You took a something.
Chad, I see a GBP USD. Ooh, is GBP USD ready to do a number here? Ooh, gold as well, Chad. Making us wait, but it seems like, here we go. Here we go, Chad. Get ready, gold. Get ready for gold, Chad.
You're gonna take the long.
I'm just gonna wait for this retest, and I'm in it to win it. GBP USD. I've seen this movie a lot of times. Chad, you can take it. This thing can run, but the thing is, I'm saving my bullet for gold. Euro USD, GBP USD, zero volatility. We would have been in this trade almost 30 minutes to catch a whopping 7 pips. 7 pips, so not interested. Gonna wait here for gold. I'm happy to take gold here. Let's see if we can get a nice little retest here. Beautiful. If we can get a nice little retest there, more than happy to get into this. If it just runs, then it runs, Chad. Then it's not my trade to take. But yeah, US 30 now at that zone we talked about. Interesting. Nasdaq. All right. Long weekend in the UK and US, so low volume. Is it a bank holiday today or on Monday? When you say long weekend, not a long weekend today. Some decent. Okay, gold. Get ready for gold. We're just waiting for this retest there. Yeah, Keek, sorry, I sent that Mo guy yesterday. He was just like, I know you guys still wanted to have fun with him, but Chad, saying where he lives, there's no internet, or I don't know, no emails. I don't know. Yeah, anyways. I was thinking too much, as they say in the song, and I was thinking going forward, we're not gonna even give the guys any room here on the streams. Any negativity, we're not even gonna entertain it. We're not even gonna mention it. There's GBP USD. Chat, I told you guys, I've seen this movie multiple times. There's Euro. Oh. Euro was a beautiful setup, I have to say. That is as clean, but you're fighting for 9-10 pips. Jeez, Chad. Okay, gold. There we go. There we go. Come on, gold. Beautiful. Just do that for us. Nice little break of structure to the upside, and we are in gold, Chad, on this Friday. Heads up, we've detected audio in your stream belonging to someone else. Your stream may temporarily be blocked. If you plan to continue, please ensure that the content owner has added your channel to their allow list. Alright, Chad, that's just YouTube letting us know that the stream might be chalked. At least they have the human decency to let us know they're gonna chalk us. Buy gold, not yet. Aksim Wayim, not yet. We're waiting for the retest here, and we're waiting for a break of structure. Go join the Discord if you have not done so yet. 2G's Discord, under the education section. We're looking for a break continuation under education. Yeah, we're looking for a buy continuation. This one here. So we're literally waiting for market structure A to happen.
Okay, bro. Serious question.
There we go. Yo.
What do you want, Tim? Chicken or cheese?
No, I'm happy with whatever. I was in the hostel, bro.
Okay, and Cajun or Big Mac?
Bro, you decide. I'm in your hands, yeah. I'm in your hands.
Okay.
I'm in your hands. Surprise me. Surprise me. Nas long taken at Asia low. Damn. Damn, Turtle Trader. That caps, my brother. Just coming in hot with the caps. Oof. Oof. Look at that key level holding there. Shish. Turtle Trader just making. Turtle Trader not playing with the caps, bro. Bad day to be a caps lock. Bad day to be a caps lock because Kicks, did you see Turtle Trader is nuking the caps locks? Look at my boy Kicks there. Kicks, thanks so much, my brother.
Cheers, brother.
Why are you raising me up, bro? What's happening here? I feel like you want to ask me something.
Nah, bro. Your boy's missing breakfast, and I just felt keep
Oh,
the
yeah,
anniversary.
did you tell them Caitlin's not here? This man's, bro, this man's struggling. Chad, baby. Mm-hmm. Oh, engulfing candle in the hourly. Beautiful. Look at that, Chad. Kaylin, simple strategy. Engulfing candle entry. Not all those entries work, but the thing is the probability. Sorry for caps, fam. No, it's fine, my brother. Sometimes it feels good getting those words out in a caps lock. Chad, sorry for trying this burger here, but it is honestly a bad day to be a junior cheeseburger, unfortunately. Unfortunately, cheeseburgers are getting absolutely destroyed here today. Wayne Kieswetter, which indicators are you guys using? Wayne, there's an array of indicators we use. It's EMAs, it's ADs, it's pivots. But do me a favor. Join Project G, the sign up list. You're going to get one indicator that destroys them all. So I'm going to drop it now for you in the chat. There's going to be one indicator, so you never ever have to ask that question again. So I walk away for 10 minutes and you're all having burgers. Ed, it's Keegan, yeah, surprising us. Roxbury burgers are getting absolutely mutilated here today. My goodness.
While you walking aisles, I'm running miles, and I ain't got time to be coasting. So look at my file, I'm counting piles of money from trips and devotion. I know who you fucking with, it's me, myself.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo. Boys are dropping the F-bomb here. That's not on, yeah. Not on our watch. Chad, here we go, gold, baby. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Alright, Chad, I'm in, baby. Took it right here. Let's go. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a move here. $3 stop. Just a quick little in and out here. 23.45. There we go, baby. Win or lose here today, Chad. It is a good day. $23.45. There we go. There's the trade. There. That is what we were waiting for. And if we get to the stage ever where we see our setup, all of our rules being met, and we don't take the trade, then we must stop trading.
Chad, I'm just putting it out there. We can't be friends if you don't like McDonald's chicken nuggets.
Do you like the nuggets? I feel like I don't hate the nuggets, but I'm not gonna plan a trip around the nuggets. Like, I wouldn't say, guys, we are missioning for the nuggets.
Bro, the nuggets and the sweet and sour sauce. Oh,
Chad, wait, I just need to get a knife and fork here. Keegan knows the drill. Sorry, Chad, I didn't do messy play as a kid. I'm coming back now. Give me a second.
there we go, yeah. I can't do the nuggets, double cheeseburger, sure. What? Yo, guys. What's with the hate on the chicken nuggies? Come on, guys, but some good rubber.
Cherry pepper dressing.
Go for it, bro. There's a jalapeno sauce if you want it.
Where? Oh no, I'm good with this. Chad, sorry, man. The thing is, yeah, I don't like eating on stream, but unfortunately, time here today is not a young Big Maxky. Kicks, I don't know if you want to take my chips. I'm not big on the chips, my guy.
Right.
The burger is more than enough for me. Alright, Chad. Chad, did Keegan pray for these burgers, or do I still need to pray for them?
We did a prayer, bro.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Salaam alaikum.
You can't do, you can't do that. Salim Kareem. Okay, there we go. All right, YouTube giving me another warning. YouTube's like, these guys were basically, we fixed them, and what's happening now, they lost we rehabbed them. What do I call it when you rehab some, not remediated them, but...
Oh, damn, Kaden, that's sick. I'll check it out now.
Chad, baby. Oh, look at that. 200. Like I said, if you're taking notes here, you can build a strategy around the 200 5-minute EMA on the dollar index. Not even joking here. Not even kidding. Let's see if gold can do a number here for the boys.
Guys, I think this just turned into the first ever Forex live stream mukbang.
What is a mukbang?
Apparently just eating on stream and talking.
Keto, baby. I'm all about that keto, Nila. This for me is... no, keto is not here anymore. Guys, if you see keto, let me know. Damn, bro. Carbs, McDonald's. Kicks, but let's just be honest. We can't be friends if you don't like McDonald's.
Mackies.
Yo, bro, a Mac Dizzle with the drizzle. Here we go, baby.
I'm gonna make up my own words. You can go Google that on YouTube. I just don't know if it's mukbang or mukbang, but that's a real thing.
Chad, you know what? Audi's got no bottom wick, and I can look for a re-entry because we've got minor structure here. I'm going break even here. Chad, no bottom wick on the hourly. And at any stage, we can look here for re-entries. So don't have FOMO, because if we create a bottom wick, what will most likely happen is the 5-minute will actually go and retest the 200. And the exact same entry we took now, we can take again. So just go break even. There's no need to try and be a euro here on a Friday. Go break even. It's the session highs. It's the daily high, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, no. Break even. Beautiful. Let's see if the gold bulls can do a number here for us. Let's see if the gold bulls can... Okay. Gold bulls said, wait. Maybe they tripped a little bit, but... Mukbang, yeah. Still in, wait. Still in, Chad. Still in, I'm gonna let you know. This thing is fighting, yeah. This thing is fighting, yeah. Still in. I'm gonna let you know as soon as I'm out, Chad. Oh, what? Chad, and the Coke Zero, like you can't order
Just
a lot
for
of
health,
food.
guys.
But why do we do that though? Even when we're in Joburg, you order like 2 box, what do they call it? The share boxes with Coke Zeros. Chad, still in here.
Gotta be healthy, guys.
Come on, baby.
Can't be getting obese now.
Oh, there, jump, almost out. Still in, wait. If we survive this, Chad, I don't know. If we survive this, I'm still in.
Lilith, you just have to get yourself a Coke Zero, and then technically you're still on diet.
I actually heard that the Coke Zero oxidizes the carbs in the burger. Okay, Chad, I'm out. Come on, baby, Friday. Good to be alive.
I don't even trust my mind, I'm losing everybody. They can never take the grind. People always switching sides, people always in my line.
Beautiful, baby.
Let's
go.
Wanna waste my time, so I don't hate nobody. Just stay up on my life and I won't hurt nobody. So just stay up on
Big
my
Macs,
side.
break evens.
Pull me down.
That's what it's about here on Friday. 2 break evens. Anyways, I dropped a video in the Discord as well of a first gear pull. Shadadonia, baby. How you guys feeling? It's Friday. Tough week. It's not even tough in terms of the trading. It's just no setups for me. And on Friday, 2 break evens. So yeah, beautiful. Taking the gold, thinking that GU is not going to do work, and now GU is putting in a little shift here. Euro USD, look at that, Chad. Who's still in the Euro USD trade? I wouldn't have done anything differently here, Chad, if I'm very honest. I feel very comfortable with my management there of the trade. Wouldn't have done anything different. Would we have gotten the 15 pips? Only at 10 now. My goodness. GU also working out beautifully here. I don't know. You guys heard me. I said valid to take it, but I saved my bullet for gold. Yeah, so gold. Okay, there's the bottom wick on the hourly. So all I'm waiting for, I'm going to look for a re-entry on gold, Chad. Like I said, that was the idea. So that's actually wrong. That's neutral. Okay. So as mentioned, just looking for that exact same setup. And there's that retest again. So looking for that exact same setup we talked about. So let's check here. 2 minutes 11. Is this just going to run away from us? Even if it does, it is fine, Chad. Yo, Coke Light just hits different, Kicks.
Yeah.
Joe, Coke Light, Chad. It's Stevia. Took a nice 1 RR GU buy. Bat TS, brother. That is what it's about. Somebody taking some pips here, Chad. Here's the thing. Break even for me, but the analysis, beautiful. The analysis played out beautiful. We told you we're looking for the buys here. We're not looking to sell here. Gold, we said we're looking for the buys. Is gold going to run away from me here? Hopefully not. Again, saved Mo some bucks here today. Man was coming in hot this morning. 7 o'clock. Where were we at 7? Yeah, Mo was busy. He almost entered a sell there, and I said, Mo, listen, it's Friday, my brother. just think logically we're going to get some type of pullback. So there we go. 1 minute. If we can stay here, I'm just going to wait for a little pullback, Chad. Maybe if we can even get a little pullback like that to 23, 40, 17, that's very close to our initial entry. Yo, this is a very aggressive playlist, Keeks.
Yeah.
It's very, very aggressive. I don't know where. Okay. Chad, this will almost probably be my last position for the week. And yeah. Thing is, on my broker terminal, it's above the candles, but yeah, it's not. Can't take it, Chad. Not in, Chad. It didn't break the structure here for me. Feel free if you want to enter it. I'm not entering that. That's not a break of structure for me. I'm looking at the bodies. No, not involved there. Euro. Let's have a look here. What is the yen pairs doing? What is this? Okay, weekly R1. How's the 4 hour gonna close? Okay, that 4 hour cannot really convincing me. Remember I said I'm expecting an explosive move here today on the yen pairs. Yo, this thing also bumping and grinding here. EJ, what is EJ? That 170, struggling to get above there, Chad, but holding above this weekly R1. Question is, do you wait for the retest or are you happy with this? I can't be happy with that. Gold, obviously, Chad. Obviously gold is doing this.
Bro, don't feel bad. It did the same thing to me yesterday.
Bro, obviously gold. Like, Chad, what do we say about this? Euro, the first one. Yeah, here's the thing. Flawless analysis. Just not getting the rub of the ball, or the rub of the green, as they would say. Alrighty. Now you can say, Chris, but why didn't you wait for the retest of the structure and wait for another part of the structure? Anyways, Chad. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Brad, I'm well, my brother. As long as you guys did well this week, it's not even. Here's the thing. Everyone's time will come. It's about showing up every single day. Think about it this way, Chad. It's about showing up every single day, bringing the same energy Monday to Friday. That's one thing I try to pride myself on, is that every single day that I come in here and I come in and I sit down here with you guys, I tell myself, listen here, I must be the best Chris I am. I need to be locked in on what I'm doing. And yeah, the days will come where we absolutely rip into these positions. But again, it's about showing up every single day, good attitude, not missing a beat. And believe me, Chad, there's days where myself and Keeks, we don't feel like sitting here. We're still human. We still have days where we're a little bit down, where we maybe need some encouraging, but we come here and we're like, bro, it's game time. It's game time. Job's not finished. Kobe. We call it sticking to the plan. Wayne, 100%, my brother. 100%. And at the end of the day, Chad, I believe it. I think Keegan also believes in it very firmly. I still believe that hard work, good old faithful hard work, still pays off. A lot of times it's not quick. It's not what you see on Instagram. It's not what you see other people do. But at the end of the day, if you stick it out and you grind it out, there's absolutely no reason for you to not make it big. Take somebody maybe a year, it takes another guy 2 years. Some guys will take 15 years, but imagine this, not giving up. I talked to Hein the other day, and we talked about another trader. The trader's been trading for almost 18 years. And I said, Hein, here's the thing, bro. We can't compare ourselves to somebody that's been trading for 18 years. We haven't even collectively worked for 18 years. Like, I haven't even, when I started working, I haven't even worked for 18 years. And then you want to compare yourself to someone that's been at this craft for 18 years. You can't. It's not fair to yourself. It's not fair to that person that's been doing it for 18 years. For you to even try and put yourself on the level of that person. So in the next 10 years, if you come to me and Keegan and you knew and you want to compare yourself to us, then it's like, bro, there's the course, there's the walk it. Me and Keegan had a discussion this morning, Chad. What do you consider to be failure in business? What do you consider to be, okay, I have failed at this? Yeah, I love that. We actually have that in the office, eh? HWBT, hard work beats talent. Eugene's are the best. Just don't eat junk food again on the chat, at least until my comrades run has passed. Hey, Prowes. Good luck with that, brother. It's a cuck walk, but worth it. There you go. Chad, in all honesty, I'm done for the day. I had my opportunity on gold. I went break even, just to show you guys, break even on gold. If you manage it any other different way, beautiful, as long as you caught something on gold. Here's my gold trade. 2 trades on a Friday. These were my only 2 trades this week. There's the gold trade, and then here's my euro trade. Right direction, everything right. Just in terms of management, that's how I manage my trades. So didn't get the rub of the green today, but there's going to be days where I am going to get the rub of the green. And this is my euro USD trade. So either way, you guys got a beautiful analysis here this morning. You should have been on the right side of the market. There's my euro entry. Look at that, just one extra 5-minute candle. And anyways, Chad, that is a lot of times how these things work. And on to the next, Chad. For me, it is now onto the weekend, where I'll be spending some time with my wife. I'm gonna go pick her up now after 12. Me and Keegan just have some business stuff to discuss. And yeah, guys, hope you had a beautiful week. Slow week, very slow week. It's mentally draining, but again, showing up here every single day, that is what it's about. At the end of the day, the days are going to come again where we absolutely get those massive moves. But nothing today. Keegs, any closing remarks here for the chat, baby?
Chad, being a bit of a slow one. Markets, I think we've always said it, the volume is brought in with fundamentals, and we had one day of fundamentals this week, and that showed with the volume for us. So again, really, if you want to say boring and slow week, but you know what, that's trading. I think it was a good mental and psychological test for us to stay out, be patient, and work with what we had. But it is the weekend, so as I said, I have specific setups I want to take today. If I don't take them, I won't, because the little bit of profits we have, it's Friday. I don't want to just unnecessarily give it back to the markets. So we're going to choose our battles wisely today. Otherwise, just enjoy the weekend. But I'll see you guys for New York then.
Keys, did you guys make profits this week?
Yeah, we had the one trade.
No, I'm thinking of that meme where it's
Yeah.
had guys like, oh, you guys are making money trading. Chad, I didn't make a single cent. I literally have 2 trades on book here for me if I go to my history. And I think luckily the beauty of this is every morning you wake up with this expectation. Like today there's going to be something. Today I'm going to get a setup, and then there's no setup. And it's like, okay, but I am going to get a setup. But anyways, Chad, really appreciate you guys. We will see you guys. Keegan, you streaming alone, eh? Or will they be done?
I'm going to be in the start. I'll probably be alone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your combine here at the office. Chad, really want to say I appreciate all of you guys. Get your Vault Funder accounts. Vote VF. I believe we are all voting next week, Wednesday. And so there's a 40% discount code. Vote VF. And Chad, that is the day. Don't forget the Tolly. So we are working on that brand Volatoli for volatility. When the volatility gets hectic, I don't know, you guys are animals starting with this hashtag STC. It seems we're not going to be able to shake that, Geeks. I don't know. It seems STC is not going anywhere, and we'll need to work around that. We'll see what we do with STC. I don't know, feeling cute. Might do a cap and a hoodie. I don't know, maybe even a beanie, Geeks.
Yeah.
Hashtag STC, have a totally. I don't know, bro. Anyways, Chad, peace and love, baby. We'll see you. Keeks will see you guys at 3. I will see you back on Monday. Stay rested over the weekend. Stay safe. And we will see you guys a little bit later. Peace and love, baby.
presence of my Savior. Spirit, lead me when my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. Spirit, lead me when my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. Spirit, lead me when my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone today. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. But ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone today. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, She's gone. She's gone.
Baby, last night, I was talking to myself, walking left to the right, baby, hold on tight, get on the fucking flight, I made up my mind, I don't want you by my side, cause you call me, you hold me, what you saying to me, what you fucking saying to me, you push me, then pull me, what you saying, bitch? How could you fucking say that I'm wrong? How could you say that? How could you fucking say that I'm wrong? How could you say that? How could you fucking say that? Baby, calm down, calm the fuck down. Baby, let me breathe, cause I'm about to fucking drown. Baby, let me go, baby, let go. When you're sleeping all around and fucking thinking I don't know, cause you call me, you hold me. What you saying to me, what you fucking saying